Ed and I figured, what did we figure? If you're so lazy that you can't get your Jeep work done, right? We may as well do some work so you can watch this and feel like you did something for the day. All right.
Do it. Go ahead. That's it. Against the firewall, down a little bit.
Down.
Down just ever so slightly.
Smidgen. Ready? Hello.
Get this bounce out.
Think we're loose.
Hold it. One's stuck under the brake.
Wait a minute. Because we're doing the smidgen thing. Let's get rid of that one. How you feeling? Remember, I like doing things the hard way. We're caught on the pan back there. There you go, you're over it. Get over it, man.
Up. Favorite. Come on.
Huh?
Up, up, up. One more. Clear.
Nice. Are you ready? Probably not very safe what I just did, but ready? I got bad casters on my stand. All right, we got to get the clutch and the flywheel off first. Do you have air? Oh, sure. Do it the easy way. I got to stop this camera. Look at all that oil. The way the clutch ain't soaking wet though.
I think it's on the other side of the flower wheel, so you know how that works.
The benefits of having leaky rear mains is there's no rust. Right? We're well protected.
You support the clutch, I'll take the last 2 points.
Maybe we'll do a good inspection here to figure out why this thing was knocking earlier before we put the body on. Somebody was telling me something about the
Disc.
either one of the rivets in there or the disc or the
We'll know
springs
right
or
away.
the...
Sometimes if you put the disc on backwards, they'll work. Sometimes.
Oh no, it was on straight the way it was supposed to be. Flywheel side.
There you go.
But look at the damage on the
Yep.
on the springs.
This is from hidden.
The wrong size freaking nuts.
Those are the wrong nuts for that. That's part of the problem.
No wonder.
What nut did that?
You biscuit. You limp biscuit. All right.
What nut did that?
Me.
We'll keep it.
All right. So, you know what though?
It's fine. Nothing wrong with it.
That's a good point though. It's the wrong size nuts.
Canuts.
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 They got some canuts.
9/16.
Uh,
You were using it
I
underneath.
thought we had it over. No, I set them both up over there.
Yeah, okay. This hasn't had the mod.
You know, the boys and girls can't see what you're doing.
What the heck? Stripped?
Oh.
No. Oh, the bolts.
You know what? I remember that.
Gotta get the back of it. Half inch, I believe.
Yeah, the long, skinny one. Jeez, you wonder why stuff don't work, man. It'll buff out. Nice.
These chevron seals, either they work or they don't.
Yeah.
They do make good ones nowadays.
All right, dog 6 is in pieces, folks. Ed came over, provided some professional assistance. Here's some generous partis. This block is now going to become a coffee table or end table. Pretty excited. Let's say hi to the people.
Howdy.
Hi, people. All right, there's the busted piston. She's going into my trophy case.